The 1999 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.